So welcome back, guys. We're going to do a short editing here. This is our third class out of the 4 classes that were slated for the free week. On this class, we're going to learn how to sharpen an image. Yes, to sharpen an image. Now if you look at this photo here, to zoom this photo, I'm holding down my alternative and then scrolling with my mouse, or preferably you can use your control key and then work on it. Now alternative, look at the way this picture it's not as clear as it's supposed to be. Just looking a bit too shady. Now what is the first step now is to double click on it. This layer is now open. Just don't mind this closing. Now I'm going to show you the basic way of, it's just a very basic and a quick way of editing any image that you think is not sharp to make it a bit sharper. Now how do we do? Looking at this image from here, you might not see this face is clear. How do we work on something like this? Now what do we do? With the filter, first of all, convert for smart filter. Now why do we have to convert for smart filter? So that whenever you are done filtering or editing and then you don't want to save this particular image, you want to go back to how it was before, it is very easy. Now next step, go to filter, sharpen. Now there are more sharpening styles here. The most popular are Smart Sharpening and Unsharp Mask. I'm going to show you on Unsharp Mask because this is the old traditional way of sharpening a picture. Don't mind the name. This is a popular term photographers tend to use, and it has been incorporated into the Adobe Photoshop. Now we're going to use Unsharp Mask to set this image. What to do? Click on it. Now already this picture is looking sharper because I've used this tool before to set up a picture, but on a normal it comes like this. Now are you seeing the way this photo is? Now I'm going to sharpen this photo a little bit to make it more outspoken. What to do? Click on here where I want to be proven. Let's just start with here first. We take amount. Now let me take this to the edge. Are you seeing what is happening? Are you seeing what is happening now? This has been over sharpened. Are you still seeing? Why I'm showing this thing is just so that you can see other tools that this particular thing can be used for, but this is not what we came here for. Now we're going to sharpen this thing. I'm going to take it to, like, okay, let's say 32. Take the radius a bit. Now watch, while you're taking the radius, this image is getting brighter. To be sure, click preview. I'm watching a difference, a bit blur here, but if I click again to preview it, okay. Now this radius is used to sharpen the edges, so you need to be very careful while you're beautiful. If you watch these faces here, it's now getting better than before. Watch on this preview. I see the way it is now, but click on the preview. You see the difference between the old and the new. Now the old everywhere is looking a bit blurry, but click on the preview, the new one. You see the way these edges are now sharper, the faces are now sharper. Let's take it a bit to 40 something. Let's be careful so we don't alter the image. Wow, it's good like this, but no, this is not what I want. It's really outspoken that this image was worked. Now take it a bit like this. Maybe take the radius back. Now improve the threshold just little. Let's just say 4. It's okay. Now see the old of this picture, see the new. Which do you think is better? Old, new? This picture is now sharpened. Now this is the use of this beautiful tool to sharpen images. I hope you learned a lot here, and then be very careful while adding the sharpenings and the rest. Stay tuned, stay amazing, stay glorious, and keep learning. Thank you very much for following us. We are Ace.